Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time, drive time update, guys. In this video, we're going to take a look at the markets. We're going to take a look at Shiba Inu. We're going to take a look at Dogecoin, ADA, Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some price predictions for Bitcoin, where we can see Bitcoin at the end of April, and also some price prediction from where we can see Dogecoin at the end of April, guys. So if that sounds interesting, if that sounds cool, if that sounds cool beans in the house, don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe, comment. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys. So get ready, buckle up, let's go down the crypto rabbit hole together, guys. It's absolutely a great time to be alive, guys. So, we got the Shiba Inu dog in the metaverse behind us, guys. Let's go. Woof, woof, woof. So, some news that's coming in right now. It looks like a crypto community with 82% historical accuracy sets Bitcoin price for April 30th. So what they're saying is that, Bitcoin is going to hit $51,000 by April 31st. So this is pretty cool beans, and they've been pretty accurate overall. So they're predicting that by end of April, we should be seeing $51,000 Bitcoin coming in. So that is cool beans, guys. Right now, at time of recording, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at $47,207 in the house. Ka-chinga, ka-chinga, ka-chinga. And we're still trading within our white box, guys, and that's between $46,200 and $48,000 in the house. So something really interesting, too, that if you look at the weekly candle right now, we've got 3 days and 12 hours left. But this is a huge weekly candle, because not only are we going to be closing a weekly candle, we're also going to be closing a monthly candle pretty soon, guys, and that monthly candle is going to be also green, so that is pretty good. And if you look at all these vectors that the market makers are pushing Bitcoin up to, right now we're seeing that the amount of leverage longs and leverage shorts are about equal right now in the house. So on the 12-hour time frame, we're seeing it's pretty much equal. You're seeing that the total amount of wreckage in the house is around 183 million, or about 63,000 traders got wrecked, guys. So never leverage trade, guys. If you guys are leverage trading, then you're just like crazy in the house, guys. So don't do it. Absolutely don't do it. So, Biddy's looking pretty good as we speak. We're well above the minor capitulation line. That's about $21,000 in the house, guys. So there's a lot of good positive sentiment out there. We're seeing that the fear and greed is also, slightly down from yesterday, but it's still pretty positive. We're still in neutral territory. So hopefully we're going to get some more greedy in the house, guys, and be going uppity up, guys. So we can see right now that Shiba Inu right now is trading at 27, and it's looking pretty good. We kind of, remember back here in February, we were at 34 in the house. So it looks like we're getting ourselves back up to there, and I'm pretty confident that, it looks like kind of a reverse cup handle. Here's the handle here, here's the cup, and it's going all the way up here. So that's pretty bullish in itself. So we should be seeing ourselves for the Shiba Weeby getting ourselves back up to 34 in the house pretty soon. So let's take a look at the Doji Woji right now. Doji Woji right now at time of recording. Let me just clean this chart up for you in-house. Let me clean up the chart. Okay, here we go, guys and gals. You want it. So it looks like Shiba Inu is at 1452. And you can see that we had really good impulses here, all the way 1 up to 9 impulses, which is really positive. Now we have pretty much a red triangle right now, but we're still broken out from this descending triangle that goes all the way back to here. So we had this descending triangle that goes back all the way out to October. We have broken out of that, so that's pretty good. We're seeing a little bit of selling pressure right now, but I'm not too concerned about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is going to be pretty much range bound between 14 and 15 in the house. Our next level resistance for the Doji Warriors is going to be about 15 cents in the house, and then it's pretty light resistance. We have seen that way back here, back in March 29th, we were at 15.3, 15.4 in the house. So I don't think it's going to be too much problem for the Doji Warrior to get itself back up there, guys and gals. Guys, smash the like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment, because you got to learn how to feed the YouTube algorithm. And the only way you can feed the YouTube algorithm is you got to comment, you got to smash the likes. It looks like that. You got to subscribe. There's a button down there that says subscribe, and you got to comment, guys. Comment up a storm. There's no restrictions on how many comments you can make, so comment up a storm, guys. Also coming in for Dogecoin right now, how Dogecoin price entered new bull run with significant upside potential. So price, we're seeing that Dogecoin has bounced off monthly pivot after price undergoes profit taking. So we did see some profit taking about March 22nd, 23rd, when Dogecoin hit 15.4 in the house. So Dogecoin price will rebound back to its trajectory from an uptrend, and expect bulls to hit 15.94. So we should be seeing that the bulls can take it up to about 16 cents, and then our next target should be about 19 cents. So this should be triggering anywhere from 15 to 37% gains. So Dogecoin looks like it's getting ready to rally, guys. And don't forget that in April and May is usually pretty bullish. Remember last year in April, that's when Dogecoin hit all-time highs. So things are looking pretty good in the house for Dogecoin. So I'm pretty confident that we can be seeing 16 to 19 cents coming in soon for April, if not higher, guys. Bitcoin is predicted to hit 51,000. I think that prediction is a little bit light for April. I think we could be seeing ourselves $55,000 in the house for Bitcoin. So overall, things are looking pretty good. If you take a look at the heat map in the house right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin has just gone down, just jinxed it. We're seeing that the altcoins are still pumpity pump. The altcoins are still in the green, so that's pretty good. And that's pretty much signaling that the altcoins are in a green zone, guys. So crypto ownership among Norwegian women doubles in a year, so that's pretty good. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most crypto friendly assets out there. Female crypto ownership has doubled in Norway. Among altcoins, XRP and ADA saw the most investment out there. So it looks like in Norway the women are loving the crypto, guys. So that is pretty good if you're from Norway. And I have a member from Norway. I just want to say God bless you and welcome. Looks like the U.S. pre-markets are down, down. So I think we're going to have a pretty much red day in the broader markets. That's going to take down the cryptocurrencies as well. So remember, we got the initial jobless claims coming out at 8:30 a.m. So depending on how that comes out, we could see some negative Nancy news coming out, and that could create a bit of a downward pressure. But overall, we're not. If the markets do go down, or if the crypto markets do go down, it's not going to be like 5-10%. It's just going to be very lightly in the house. So nothing really too much to worry about. So this coming in right now, it says, if you look at BTC versus USD savings, you can see that Bitcoin is still worth 47,000, and if you can translate to that and compare it to where the dollar is, the buying power of the dollar right now is about 38,600. So actual purchase power if you talk about dollars, guys. So if we start at 10K back here, and that is in the 6th of June 2020, 10K was worth 10K, but as you can see right now 10K is only worth 8.2 K in the house. So you can see that inflation is affecting the dollar. But Bitcoin is a huge hedge against inflation, and this chart absolutely plays that out. So 10K in the bank or 10K in Bitcoin. So if you had 10K in Bitcoin, it would be worth about $47,000 in the house right now. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. So like I said, the Fed, they're going to be printing more and more money, and the only good hedge against inflation is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, guys. And this is not financial advice. I remember in my last video we did talk about the Doge 1X to the moon, and that's confirmed by Space TV to be June 1st. So that's pretty bullish for the Doge Warrior in the house, guys. So this also coming, if you look at the on-chain exchange flow, we're seeing right now that 869 million Bitcoin have flown off exchanges. So that is pretty cool beans, and that just goes to show that more and more crypto is moving off exchanges and being held by private individuals, people like you and me, in hardware wallets, software wallets. But basically, the more Bitcoin that's been taken off exchanges, the better it is for all of us out there. So that is cool beans in the house, guys. Absolutely cool beans in the house. We're seeing also about $58.2 million worth of Ethereum flew onto exchanges. So that's not positive at all, but that's just a very small chunk. But we're seeing more and more Ethereum is going onto exchanges. But overall, this is the daily exchange flow. But if you look at the weekly exchange flow, we're still seeing that there's a negative outflow for Bitcoin, negative outflow for Ethereum, and that is pretty good. It just means more people are hodling and have diamond hands out there, ladies and gentlemen. And we're seeing that more Ethereum is also more Tether, is flowing onto exchanges, and that people are building up a big stablecoin position because they want to be prepared to be buying the dippity dips like crazy out there. So that is pretty cool news in house. We're also seeing right now that Bitcoin has gone through these phases before, and right now we're seeing that Bitcoin, it went through this dissipation range, HCF higher, and that's when we all had our all-time highs. Then we had this accumulation range right here, and looks like we're going to be moving up to our higher distribution range soon, and that could take, according to this, Bitcoin could be going up to 72,000. So that's pretty bullish on of its own, guys. So it looks like ADA are seeing a lot of large transaction volume happening, and ADA is going to explode in 2022. And ADA is doing pretty good right now. It's about $1.22, $1.23 in the house. So it looks like we're seeing more and more institutional demand for ADA in the house. Boom chakalaka. So if you're holding ADA, and if you were able to buy ADA, way back here, you guys should be just having so much fun and so happy, because if you'd aped into ADA around March 22nd, you'd pay 94 cents for it. If you're able to ape into ADA about March 20, you paid 92 cents. If you're able to ape into ADA around the 17th of March, you only paid around about 85 cents in the house. So that is pretty bullish, guys. Absolutely bullish. And ADA is doing phenomenal right now. So if you were able to ape in to ADA around about the 11th of March, which is not too long ago, you paid 81 cents. So right now ADA is trading at $1.20 in the house. If we take a look at Ethereum right now, Ethereum is trading at $3,400 and some change in the house. So that is pretty bullish overall. And we're seeing that this W pattern for Ethereum is forming, and we're just at the top side of this. And we've got to break up past the $3,500. Once we get past the $3,500 and we can stay there, that's going to confirm a next run to $4,000. I'm pretty confident we're going to get there. If we do see Bitcoin coming in at 51,000, that should put Ethereum around about $4,100 to $4,200 in the house. So that's pretty bullish overall. We're seeing right now that Solana is doing pretty good. It is now at $126, and it has just gone past my resistance, and that's going to be turning green. So that's pretty booyah, pretty good news for ADAs. The key is, can Solana stay above $126 resistance level? That is the key. Can we do it? Let's hope we can do it. I think we can do it. I think we can. Let's be positive out there. And we're seeing that Phantom right now is also doing pretty good. It's starting to move upwards about $1.45. So that is pretty good in the house. And our next resistance level is around about 177 in the house. So it looks like my upward trend line is playing out exactly as predicted. And it looks like we could be going up faster than we can expect, guys. So that is pretty good. Let's take a look at the crypto markets overall and see what's going on there. Right now, we're seeing the total market cap is about 2.19 trillion, and the volumes are 81.11. The Bitcoin dominance is pretty much about where it is, just below 41%. We need the dominance to go down to about 38%. And once that happens, then you're going to see the altcoins absolutely go on a rampage in the house. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is slightly down to 47,148. That's slightly down, almost neutral. We're seeing that Ethereum is up almost 0.5%. We're seeing BNB is up as well, 1.65% or 445. And we're seeing Solana is doing pretty good. It's coming back. It's up 13.2% today. So that is good. It's up 29.23% for the whole month. So I'm pretty excited. We're seeing that ADA is also up right now at 1.89%. Luna Tuna is up as well. It's at 107.52. It hit an all-time high just only recently. We're about 3.3% off all-time high. So we're getting pretty close. It's up 1.7%. The Dottie what is up 2.04%. And the Doja Woes are still in positive territory, considering that BTC is down. So that is looking pretty good. So overall, as you're seeing, most of the altcoins are turning green right now. So it seems that the altcoin season is just starting, guys. We could see a huge pumpity pump coming this summer, guys, for the altcoin season. So this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo! Don't forget to give the super chats, guys and gals. Don't forget to go down and follow me on Twitter, guys. Do it right now. Follow. We got 4,198 follows. Who is going to be the 4,200 follower? Get it. Don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe, webby, and super chats are much appreciated. Don't forget to check out all the linky winks, guys. Check out the links. Get the links, guys, and become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee. Check out the Wifey's channel. You know you want it. Get it while you can, guys. And also, do not forget to go and check out the merch, guys. Get the merch, be the merch, and buy the mug to mug, get the cap to cap. And guys, I just want to say God bless you. Be humble out there. Be safe out there. This is OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, saying I love you guys. I'll see you absolutely in the next one. Let's get it, guys. Woo! Ice, baby, in the house. Yeah!